All right, guys, how you can see, all right, welcome to another unboxing. As you can see what I have. All right, I'm gonna call this, I was just thinking about it, we're gonna call this tool porn. All right, because you guys out there know what I mean. We go to Home Depot, we go to Lowe's, and when we're browsing, what we do, we go straight to the freaking tool section. And again, I got this from Home Depot, and you know, it's all displayed out there just like porn, and we see all these sexy tools that, like, damn, if I only had the money, I'll get it. So God willing, I was blessed. I had an extra couple of dollars, and it's something I've been lusting over for I don't know how long. Are the Milwaukees. Now we know Milwaukees are very popular with contractors. They're very reliable. They got a good reputation, and I want to be a part of that. So I was able to pick this up. As you can see, the box says special buy. You know, Home Depot always send out these promotions. If you buy X amount in package, you get this, you get that. And luckily, I was able to open a business account at Home Depot. I was able to get a coupon and to get some more percentages taken off of this thing. As you can see what I have here, I have the oh man, I'm just so excited. I have the hammer drill driver. I have the compact impact driver. I have the one-handed reciprocator saw. I have the circular saw. I have the cordless high torque impact wrench, and I have the cordless grinder. The one thing I was so excited that I was able to get, and as you can see, is that high torque impact wrench. It's something I wanted. That's definitely come in handy when you're taking off the lug nuts off the car, or I'm doing something on the car that, you know, have these big bolts and you needed some torque to get it off. So I'm very excited. Along with that package, I was able to get this the higher wattage or the higher grade battery with it. So, and as you see, it says it's the XC 5.0 red lithium. I got this along with 2 other batteries as part of this package. So this, you know, you guys have been doing your research, you know exactly what this is. This is just tool porn. We're gonna do an open boxing, see what actually comes in, how it's packed, and just appreciate these fine tools. So let's take a look at it. All right, I'm gonna do a little time lapse with it, slow it down, speed it up to see what's going on. All right, so enjoy the video and let's get it on. As you guys see, I just opened it up. It comes with a box on top, and right here it comes, look like all the tools are already inside the box, and we got another box here. So it's come well packed. I'm gonna pull this out of here, and then we'll unpack this bag and take a look at what's coming inside. So I just want to let you guys see how it's coming, being shipped to you. All right, so it's looking very good. All right, guys, I was going to continue on here. Now right here, this box I'm opening now, it has the circular saw in. All right, it comes separate within the box, and as I'm taking out it's well packed, just like anything else. All right, you're spending a lot of money in Milwaukee, so they're pretty much going to give you everything you need. Here you got the owner's manual to give you a starter blade, and taking it out, as you can see, well packed. Right. When I picked it up, it's amazing how light it is. There's a guide rail for it. Nothing too special about it, but again, it gets the job done. And it's cordless. All right. Again, when I picked up this unit, I have 3 batteries, 2 that comes with it, and then I end up taking advantage of the extra power battery. So I'll be using that battery for this circular saw. So I have the power when I need it. So that's how that looks. And again, the materials are good. It's well put together. Again, I'm gonna say it's well balanced. It's, you know, metal, aluminum, quality piece. Here we're going to take a look at what's inside the box, and these are, I call the mother load. It's well packed in. Everything comes individual wrapped, laid out, as should be. There's all the manuals you're going to get for it, for each piece, for the impact drill, the torque drill, everything, the grind, everything's in there. So you won't be missing anything out of it. Here's taken out. The battery pack comes all in its own case. Not case, but packaging. So that's a battery pack right there. All right. That I'll keep inside my bag because I like how it's organized. So that's probably the only piece of cardboard I'll probably keep in the bag. So as you're packing it away, you can all just store it in one unit. And see, I'm just taking out more tools, all the drills and stuff. So I'm very happy with it. All right, again, didn't pay full price, not looking to pay full price. I'm looking for a deal, and I definitely got a good deal with this. All right, as you see, everything's well packaged, and I'm excited to get involved. We have a nice strap for the bag. It's a decent bag. All right, we have the handle for the grinder. And again, it's a nylon bag, reinforced around the edge. You have the little pockets inside, so you can put all your drill bits, what have you, in it. Yeah, it's a good bag. I'm pretty sure if you take care of it, don't abuse it too much, it should last you quite a while for the tools we have here. And again, all these tools are very light. All right. Again, the plastic rubber, but it is molded very nicely. So it does, even though it's made of plastic and metal and this and that, it's well put together, I believe. All right, guys, I just want to demonstrate the makeup of this battery. I'm gonna open it up, and it's very simple. They go 1 in 1, slips right in. It's well balanced. It's kind of low on power, so it's not power. But what I like about these two also, it comes with an LED to tell you how much power you have. So that's definitely a thumbs up on it. All right, so let's take it off. Push these two buttons, slide it right off. All right, throw it in here. Oh, that's so sexy. Woo. Come on, you guys gotta admit that is freaking nice. All right, nice and balanced. Fit, nice grip, rubbery right here. Fits good in the hand. This is very nice. I like this. So again, I'm gonna show you guys that. Next one, this for your torque. Yes. Again, same thing. They are interchangeable. Again, and what I like about Milwaukee's, they're well balanced in the hand. It's not bottom heavy, it's not top heavy. It's very balanced, I must admit. All right. So, guys, get your set. All right, you will not go wrong on buying some Milwaukee's. All right, believe me, I'm always looking for and the reason why, again, buying this, I was able to save a couple $100 on this set, along with the sale and the coupon. So definitely look to do that. Again. All right, that is sexy. All right, guys, I'm gonna get my stuff all charged up, throw it in my bag, and put it to good work. So again, there's the Milwaukee's, there's Boys and Their Toys. I just had to add that. I couldn't sign off without letting you guys see me turn it on and give it a couple of torques. All right, but I have to get these batteries all charged up and get ready to do some more work inside the house. All right, guys. Talk to you later.